back, everyone. Got another episode of Backlash Angling here for you. On Saturday, they were actually able to open up some of the marinas in Ontario, and we were lucky enough up on the French River that they opened up the marina there. We were able to get up to the Cottage. We were doing a bit of opening up there, making sure everything was good, and then we got a little bit of time to do some fishing. So most of the seasons up there are closed, so we were able to mainly just target pike and walleye. But then ended up stumbling across a couple other ones. Got a couple by-catch smallies, which obviously released back right away. But ended up getting into quite a few pike. And then, yeah, some other species that you'll see. We'll be able to make this into a two-part video, as we were able to catch roughly about 20 fish over the weekend. So not too bad for our first weekend of open water fishing. And yeah, it was pretty good. We were able to end up getting some drone footage, and ended up teaching my girlfriend Ayla how to cast a bait caster, and she was able to actually catch a pike on a spoon on the bait caster later that night, which was pretty awesome to see. So yeah, we'll fire this video together, and then the following week we'll have part 2 for you. And hopefully, now that the marinas are open, we can get the big boat in the water and hopefully start targeting some walleye, lake trout, and a bunch of other stuff on the main lake. So stay tuned. We should have a bunch of videos for you in the near future. There we go.
Are you serious now?
I think so.
Yeah. Come on, who's gonna know that? All that. What is this snake? Oh, that's a big bucket, dude.
Is it a largie? No, I think it's a big smallie.
Nice.
Here, get the net. Get the net. It's a good one. Get the net. Woohoo!
That's big.
It's like I don't have to jump in the water.
I got a shotgun.
Boom.
Yeah, let me make.
Are you sure? You got bottom or something. Yep, keep reeling. I think you got one. Oh yeah, you got a fish. Hold your rod up. There you go. I'll get one.
I don't know, I could be up with that. You want to go to the front?
Beer all day. There we go.
There's one right here. Are you Thanks.
What a mega. No. Oh, oh, come on, you little bitch. There we go. Little dinker. Oh, there he goes.
Wow. Literally all the luck in the world I've been having it.
No, for the guy casting.
Oh.
That's a guy, dude.
That's hilarious.
There you go.
It's orange.
The water's really good.
That's so funny.
Oh, give me one. Give me a.
Okay, let's go.
I told you, AL, I'd hand off if you want to.
What's that?
I said I'll hand off if you want
I
to.
don't need sloppy sex. Kittens. Not a stop there.
Did we find those pliers or not? I can't call it.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my god!
I can't call it a fucking bald eagle.
Oh, look how small he is.
Zach, I'm casting.
What is it? Oh, it's a little pike. Look how tiny he is.
We're switching, and if you catch one on this jig while jigging, I'm gonna be.
You're gonna cast?
Yeah.
You've never casted a bait caster.
You know what? Now's the time to try. Because I'm getting fed up, right, Katie?
I don't know, a bigger one was caught on the jig. No, the quantity or the quality?
I'm.
Oh, you got his mouth.
Oh. I told you I had something.
There you go.
Alright, I'll get a drone release.
A drone release. There we go.
This is tiny.
On the board. The Len Thompson
I
killing
can
it.
go home happy now.
There we go.
I will- It was really close again to the boat.
There we go.
So tiny. Does it bite?
Okay, no, just keep it right close.
My first
Yeah.
pike.
They were there we go. Smalley, I think. Yeah.
Jesus, that goes fast, eh?
Boom.